Hello everyone, welcome to the game once again. And in first video, I will explore you to the game, how it looks like, and what are the key points here, and how to use terminal of Stringer OS, which is developed by 194. So let's go away to the next level, and here is our agent.
Comm check 1127. Hey, this is Agent Dylan. I'll be your wingman during training. Word of advice, it's always the know-it-alls who make the biggest mistakes. And we can't afford mistakes, so keep a level head. As Wheeler explained, you're starting basic and building up from there. Go to the information gathering menu on your left and launch the Fingerprint module. Drag the window around a bit and complete the test by typing the command help. Easy, right?
Now go to the information gathering menu. So here's our and open the information gathering module first.
Information gathering module initiated.
So fingerprint is this fingerprint. It starts by doing a full port scan of the designated target. As soon as an open port is detected, it will inject a series of commands and probes to identify the technology behind it. So I think fingerprint command is same as we use AMAS or asset finder tool for bug hunting or port scanning or HTTPX HTTP probe, which ports are open and which types of services. So here is our example fingerprint extranet dot news stream live.ca. Enter help. And here is our next objective. Open the drone and imagery module at the bottom of your screen.
Drone and imagery intelligence. Drone and imagery intelligence active.
And 38 latitude minus 77 longitude. Okay.
Drone and imagery intelligence active.
So it seems like some kind of attack we are going to perform on militaries or something like that in their virtual world. Now it's deploying satellite imagery. Okay. Oh. Back to probe. Pretty same. We use Kali Linux or Metasploit frameworks. Go to agent profile at any time if you want to personalize your avatar, follow your career to check your admit. Oh, that's IL. I think this is good. Any other? Yeah, that's pretty good. Click on it. Provided already. So there is our avatars. Maybe I find something like Naruto. No. Oh, it is very good, but I think that's very good. We get our certification. Okay. Congratulations, certification granted. Now what we have to do, we have to go back and academy, our fingerprint module. Now time to access this. Hope you
Look how
are
far you've
enjoying the
come.
game.
Glad to see your recruitment officer was right. It won't be long until we turn you into an excellent agent. Okay, back to work. After you find a network's footprint, you'll need to scan for applications or services which are running on the server. Once you identify them, you'll want to search for any known vulnerabilities you can exploit. Services on a server need to communicate with the internet through a port, in the same way as when browsing the web, your browser connects to an application server via the default port 80. Scanning every possible port is a laborious process, but the Stinger OS comes with a distributed proxy network, using hundreds of servers to return results in seconds. Let's see how well you can find an open port and identify its running software. Agent Dylan will guide you through the explanation.
Time to learn more about our target. Fingerprint commands are pretty straightforward. To scan the www subdomain, type fingerprint www.194.com. You can enter this command in any terminal to automatically launch the fingerprint module. Also, you can launch the terminal via your information gathering menu. I've put the exact command in your certification objective, so make sure you follow the objectives.
Oh, so here you see the real life references. It's same port scanner. We use HTTPX or HTTP Pro, which ports are open on our website in bug bounty, or vulnerability scanner where we use pretty much on Firefox extension Webalizer, and there is OpenVS tool. You can find the link, and maybe we are redirecting to the OpenVS tools. What is this? Open vulnerability scanner. Oh, it's pretty much like nuclei.
Information gathering module initiated.
Here is our information.
Information gathering module initiated.
Then we have to enter the command www.19.fingerprint and www.194.com. 194.com. Can I change the terminal font size? Graphics. Yep. Terminal font size. Okay, so we have got our vulnerability here. Once again, port 80 is open and technology Apache up to date, updated version. So what is our next task?
As you can see, we're running an Apache server on port 80 for our website. Simple stuff, and thankfully, the fingerprint module didn't identify any vulnerabilities. Can't have the public face of our organization vulnerable to attack. Anyway, a fingerprint works by testing hundreds of requests for a specific technology and recording the software version that's running, along with its known vulnerabilities. Go ahead and run another fingerprint, this time on test.194.com. I've set the subdomain up specifically for you.
Okay, so this time we have to fingerprint test.194.com, subdomain of 194.com. Okay, here we got 3 vulnerabilities or 3 technologies. Okay, vulnerability update, no vulnerability, only technologies, and their port 21. I think USFTPD is vulnerable. I think.
You'll now realize it's possible for a domain name to have multiple ports. In this case, none of them are vulnerable, but I'm going to give you access to a vulnerable technology. I want you to target the subdomain server.nightteam4.com with your fingerprint module.
Okay, here we got our next target. Fingerprint server.nightteam4.com. And yep, we got it.
You're almost there. Only a few.
Time to play around with the tools you've learned. I've set up various subdomains on nightteam4.com, and I want you to test out different sfuzzer dictionary attacks. You'll notice contrasting results between a 5-second attack and a 20-second one. Follow the objectives to complete the task.
Oh, as further something like fuzz tool,
Information
FFUF,
gathering module
maybe.
initiated.
Let's see, what is it?
Information gathering module initiated.
And we have to run the command sfuzzer nightteam4.com d5. It's same as FFUF command, I think so. And this time T. T is actually the thread at a time per seconds. So there is the time. Threads are going to be sent to the server. So we got 5 subdomains. Okay.
Now, I want you to see the difference between an sfuzzer and OSINTSCAN attack. Run both a 15-second sfuzzer and a 500 deep OSINTSCAN against nightteam4.com.
Actually, he wants to tell me how they are different and which is much more powerful and take less time. Fuzzer 19.4.com T15, same as previous command. So our next command is OSINTSCAN 19.4 -s search engine google.com -t 500 seconds stop delay. It's pretty same as hacking in real world, but it's almost like game. You are training your fingers for these things.
Excellent! Time for a little test. I've hidden the subdomain forums.nightteam4.com. Use what you've learned so far to find it. It may be a long sfuzzer or a really deep OSINTSCAN. You might also find it in another search engine's database. Despite what their marketing team says, Google isn't the only one out there. Go for it.
Okay. Find the subdomain of forums. We have to change our search engine, maybe something like this. Firefox.com. Bing.com. Oh, that's gonna work. Firefox is not going to work. But we haven't get the idea. Maybe it's taking then present of delays. Yep, we get it. Certification granted. So here is our exploit database. Okay, new module has been activated. So
With information.
Let's start with a normal attack vector. Pull up your DNS and vhost mapping and fingerprint modules to find a vulnerable technology on the domain freekevin.net.
okay.
Information gathering module initiated. Information gathering module initiated.
find a vulnerable technology. Find it. Intranet.freekevin.net is vulnerable.
Well done! Let's see what we can learn about the vulnerabilities. Open your exploit database module in the information gathering menu, then type the command searchsploit SharePoint-2007 to bring up the CVE vulnerability record.
Information gathering module initiated.
Okay, it's same like Metasploit, SharePoint 2007.
Awesome! Let's go for one more exploit with the command searchsploit CRM 4.0. Then we can launch into the juicy stuff, network intrusion.
Information gathering module initiated.
Search exploit CRM 4.0. So level up, congratulations, you reached a new rank. A new avatar frame is now available in the agent profile. Okay, so what is our new agent avatar? Maybe in this look, maybe in this. Edit. Rank 1, rank 2, right, and here's our, this is their cyberwarrior network. Nothing great. I actually want this light skin. And as we run the command search exploit CRM 4.0, it's going to let's play the CVE 2003 to 0352. Service or PC is never wrong. Become customs after so request. Okay. So that's for today. Hope you like the game and tell me about what do you think about the game. It is nice for hacking or not. So that's from my side. Thank you everyone for watching and make sure to subscribe and like the channel. Bye bye guys. Sign out.
Closing root
Postman.
access.